Dancing and singing or music is the best therapy to release any kind of disease from your body, any kind of stress, tension, worries, and everything. You know, so generally, ultimately, whatever we are doing, whether it is a materialistic world, whether you are earning money, earning people, earning, building big empire, having a lot of money, enjoying foreign trips, all that, for what we do, the final result, ultimate result is to be happy. Just to have some happiness from outside world. The same thing, whatever spiritual practices we do, why do we do it? It is to gain that happiness from within, right? Ultimately we have to gain the happiness from within. खुशी अंदर से आती है और वो उसको अंदर से ही आना है. बाहर की चीजों में हम जितनी भी खुशियों को ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो कहते हैं ना क्षण भंगुर होती है, यानी कि इट इज जस्ट मोमेंटरी. द हैप्पीनेस वॉट एवर वी गेट फ्रॉम द एक्सटर्नल थिंग्स इज ऑलवेज मोमेंटरी. If you remember your school days, when you were in, say, about 5th or 6th, you were just thinking, if I just clear this 6th standard, I'll be in 7th, I'll be very happy. You clear 6th standard, you write the exams, you get good results, and you'll be very happy few days. And after few days, 7th starts, and then again the same circle. If I just complete 7th, and finally you come to 10th. If I just complete 10th, oh my God, I'll be in college, I'll be so happy. You complete 10th, you get good marks or bad marks or whatever, you become happy for few days, again get admission into PUC, few days you are happy, and then again, if I just complete 2nd PUC, I'll be the wonderful, happy person. You complete 2nd PUC also, you will be happy for few days, then again get to degree college, and again the same cycle starts. If I just complete this degree, I'll be happy. Once you complete degree, if you complete master degree, I'll be happy. Then if I get good job, I'll be happy. Then if I get good partner, life partner, wife or husband, I'll be happy. Boyfriend or girlfriends initially, and some of you may get that in college days only. The love at first sight, they say, that is the beginning of the love. And where is the end of the love? It is your marriage, right? So beginning of the love is when you fall in love, and end of love is when you get married. So when you get job, you will be happy. You get job also. You are doing that job, but still you are not happy. You want promotion. When you get promotion, you will be happy. You get promotion also. You become CEO of that company also. Still, you are happy for few days, and then again next level. This never ends, right? So whatever happiness you expect from the external world, it never ends. There is no end for that, because happiness actually never comes from outside. Happiness always comes from within. If I get this, I'll be happy. If I get that, I'll be happy. Instead, you just be happy. Even if you don't get that, be happy. Happiness is a choice, right? Happiness is always a choice. If you choose to be happy, nobody can make you unhappy. And if you choose to be unhappy, my dear friends, nobody can make you happy. Choose to be happy, it is your choice. Who has said you to be unhappy? Who has said you to be sad? Who says you to, mourn for all the things what does not belong to you at all? One day this body which we are so much attached to this. Everything else is not attached. Even the clothes you can remove and throw. Your body you cannot throw. But one day you have to throw your body also and get out of this body. Right? What are you mourning for? What are you becoming sad for? Just be happy. Choose to be happy from within. And when you choose to be happy from within, whatever you get, you will be always happy. Even if you don't get. Happiness तो आपका अपना है ना. अंदर से खुश हो जाइए ना। खुशी अंदर से आती, बाहर से कहीं से नहीं आती। और अंदर से खुशी कब आती है? जब आपका मूड हैप्पी हो। और वो मूड हैप्पी कैसा होता है? बाहर से थोड़ा सा स्टिमुलेशन हम लेते हैं, इट मे बी म्यूजिक, it may be dance, and when you dance with the music, what happens? You actually forget. You may not know how to dance, it doesn't matter. You may not know how to sing, it doesn't matter. When you sing from the heart, I'm just remembering one story. Everybody just listen to him, and they say that when he used to sing that rag malhar, suddenly from nowhere the clouds will come and it start raining. When he sung the rag deepak, rag jyoti or rag deepak, whatever they call it, suddenly the deepa, which was not lit actually, it starts getting lit. Such a wonderful singer he was. That vibration, when he sing in that song, that creates that vibration which makes the nature to work according to his wish. And Badshah was very happy with him, and he says, Tanshin, nobody can be like you in this world. No singer can be like you in this world. And Tansin says, Maharaj, this is not true. Maharaj, I am nothing in front of my Guru. And Badshah was really shocked. He says, what? Is there anybody greater than you also? Then I would like to listen to him. But Tansin says, Maharaj, I am really sorry for that. Just because you want, he will never sing. My Guru, I forgot the name of Tansin's Guru actually. But Tansin says that I am singing for some materialistic things. You give me some prize, you give me some, house or some mohre and all that, golden coins and all that. I sing for that. I sing for you. Right? I sing for you. Badshah, I sing for you. Though I sing very well, I sing for you. And when I sing for somebody else, it doesn't come from where it should come. But my Guru never sing for anybody else. He just have to have that mood, and when he is in that mood, when he actually wants to sing, or when God wants him to sing, then only he sings. Otherwise, just if you say that I want to hear to you, he'll never sing. But Badshah says, I want to hear him. Just do something. He says, Badshah, then come. But see, we have to go near his kutir, that, kutir, Gudisilu. But you have to be hidden. You're not supposed to come in front of him. And whenever his mood will come, he'll sing. You have to wait for that. And Badshah says, okay. So they go to his kutira, Guru's kutira, and they just wait there. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. This old man, he comes out, does his things and goes in, and he's just living happily there. He's not singing at all. Whatever he gets, he eats, and just छोटा सा, कुटिया है, उसमें रहता है आराम से बुढ़ा. He never sang. 2 days. 3rd day, midnight, it was around 3 a.m. and suddenly a beautiful melody starts coming out from that kutira. And when the Badshah listened to it, he said, oh my God, this is it. My goodness, that बोलते हैं कि रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं. अब जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं, the goosebumps. When I speak about that person, my goosebumps come out. That feel is so great that he says, my goodness, he should be in my palace. Maharaj says he should be in my palace. But Tansin says, Maharaj, by mistake also, please do not tell this in front of him. He will never accept anything from you because he do not want anything. He is happy by himself. He is just happy by himself. And he do not want anything. It is just whenever he gets that mood, or whenever he feels that his God, Krishna, wants to listen to him, he sings. And that time can come anytime. And when that time comes, he sings. Yes. I said this story because happiness comes from within. And if you choose to be happy, nobody can make you unhappy. But we always search for happiness outside. If I get this, I'll be happy. If I get that, I'll be happy. If I go there, I'll be happy. If I get that kind of boyfriend or girlfriend, I'll be happy. That will never make you happy. Just choose to be happy. I want to be happy. I choose to be happy. Whatever situation may be outside, I don't mind. It doesn't matter to me at all. I choose to be happy. And if you choose to be happy, nobody in the world has the guts or the capability to make you unhappy. So always choose to be happy.